This is a Sears Lasko Box Fan though, probably from the early or mid 80s. Well, actually from the late 80s, I think though. I used to have one just like this though, but it had brown blades instead of white. So I think it should. I'm pretty sure it still works though, since it's been there for who knows how long. Just gonna give you a quick demo. Wait. Hold on. Take two. Turns out the adapter switch is off somewhere. Just a quick demo to run it up to be sure, that's all. First we're gonna start off with high, medium, then low, and then after that I'll shut it off. Here we go. Damn. It's gonna need a little cleaning, but it still runs fine. And then I'll start off with low. Low. Then medium. Then I just shut it. Okay, folks. Just one last thing. I'm gonna record and then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do a little recording of the startup sound. Alright, here's high. But remember, this is going to be a quick one, then after that I'm going to shut down. Okay, people, that's it for what? That's it for that. Make sure you rate and comment as well. Thanks for watching.